What's up, YouTube? It's your boy T. I'm back again today with another Soul Supremacy beater box as always. This box today cost me 640 bucks shipped. So it was a 600 box plus a $40 shipping. For the new subscribers, man, this is nothing more, nothing less than just a mystery box full of shoes. We buy them every week from a company called Soul Supremacy out in California. It's a members only thing right now. Don't know when they're gonna have new members coming available. As of now, it's only about 100 of us nationwide that can go on there on Sundays and cop boxes. Random prices, random shoes, random conditions, all of that good stuff. Yeah, man, so I don't know when they're gonna have openings. They were saying that they're gonna open it up again, but you have to follow them on Twitter at Soul Supremacy. Very good guys over there. Always do what's right with the beater boxes. At least on my end, I can't speak for everybody, but everything's just a mystery, man. I don't know what's in here. 25 pounds of mystery kicks. So like I said, this box was $640 shipped. We're gonna jump right in. This box just came to me. Just now came to me, so hopefully we got some good stuff in it. I haven't had a box this high in a while. I've been getting around the $400, $500 range, so kind of excited to see what we have in here. Off top, this is a great box just because it doesn't have any loose shoes. So I can't say great box, but it don't have any loose shoes in here. First off, we got a Nike Dunk High Premium SB. I got a size 11.5 in the Nike Dunk High. We got some all red with a little bit of gold. Looks like a Chinese coin or something on the laces. And they appear to be dead stock. Nike SB, I think these are dead stock. They got gold coins on both of the shoes. I don't know what that is. Looks like some kind of Chinese language on there. We got gold specks on the bottom of the shoes. All red. Suede with a leather red swoosh outlined in gold. So, dead stock pair of SBs. Don't know what those go for. Size 11.5. Man, we got a couple of SBs in here. Alright, I see some down there. Nike SB Zoom Dunk High Pro. These are a quick strike. These are 11.5 also. I got that double check on there. These are actually pretty nice. They got leather inside. These are not dead stock, as you can tell from the bottoms. Very lightly worn. They do come with extra laces in there, and these are pretty nice. I've never seen these before. The tongue has some kind of like foamy material, and the leather is all inside all on the leather. We got Friday written on the back. I don't know what that means at all. You probably can, hopefully y'all can see that. There's Friday on the back. I don't know anything about these, but they look pretty cool. Size 11.5. Nike SBs. I got another SB box down here. I'm gonna take a break from the SB. I'm gonna pull out this black Nike box. We got an Air Force One, Area 72 Air Force One box, size 11.5 also. So all three pair that I've pulled out so far have been 11.5. We got some Air Force Ones with that lunar sole on them. Not dead stock, but again in great shape. I don't know what, I've never seen this shoe before. I'm not a fan myself of Air Force Ones with the lunar bottom. I'm more like, I like the OG Forces, but they probably comfortable. I don't know. I've never worn them. Area 72 Air Force Ones. The laces are pretty cool. With that premium shoebox paper on there. Alright. I got 4 more pair in here. I know 2 of them by the boxes. We're gonna get this box out the way. It's another Nike SB. Another size 11.5. Man, another shoe, I don't know. Sole Supremacy got me off this one. I'm totally lost with this box. I don't know if it's a good box or bad box or what, just due to the SBs. I don't know what these are worth at all. These are crazy though. It's all black and white, almost like some kind of zebra or something. Even the shoelaces are black and white. Not dead stock, again, lightly worn. Wouldn't be surprised if all these shoes came from the same seller to Sole Supremacy. But yeah, they got me with this one. I'm lost. Normally I'm a little bit more excited with the boxes, but since I don't know what none of this stuff is worth, I don't have nothing to be excited about. We're gonna get these out the way. We got some V2s, 350s with the Sole Supremacy tag on there. Size 8.5, as you can see. And reading the colorway, I want to say belugas. We got more belugas, not dead stock because they already got the tags out the box. I mean, stuck to the box. Boost, not too bad. Shoes in great shape. Still have all the Adidas markings on the insoles. Beluga 2.0s, man. Boost is still pretty clean on the bottom. Size 8.5. Used to be more excited when pulling Yeezys out of a beater box. I mean, they still go. Don't get me wrong. These are gonna still sell. They still gonna sell pretty quickly. The value of them has dropped drastically, but man, they still will go. 350 box. Yeezy 350. Size 8.5 on those. I know it's gonna be a quick, easy flip. Man, this box is huge. I know what this is. You guys gonna know what it is too. Just by the box. We got some Space Jams in a humongous size 15. 45 on the lid. It'd be dope if they was dead stock. Condition of the box makes it seem like they dead stock, but these are not dead stock. Size 15. Probably as close to dead stock as you can get. Well, man, these are clean. Space Jams with the 45 on the back. Check out the bottom. Still super icy. Size 15 though. I don't know many size 15ers. I got one guy who cops all my 14s, but I don't know anybody who needs size 15s, man. These things are huge. Super clean though. I'm sure they'll sell fast once I throw them online. I started up another Instagram page too, man. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys about that. It's called TGOTSOLE for sale. TGOTSOLE, like my normal page, and then number 4, and then sale. Just to kind of cut down on the confusion, I post a lot of shoes on my personal page, and a lot of that stuff is personal shoes. And so for me, I wanted to start up a for sale page just to, like I said, cut down on confusion, make it easier for you guys, make it easier for myself. So make sure you guys go follow that. If you follow my personal page, I know some of you guys don't care about seeing me drop weight, lifting weights, and all of that good stuff, man. That's just a personal page. So I went ahead and started a for sale page because I don't have a website or anything like that. I don't necessarily even plan on starting a website. I go through these boxes really fast. I've been doing well without a website, so I'm just gonna keep it on Instagram. I haven't even been selling on eBay lately. You guys been showing me so much love, and local homies pulling up showing me love, so I just don't need to start a website or really sell on eBay anymore. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, follow the new page at TGOTSOLE for sale. If you want to, you know, just follow me there and quit following me on the personal page, because I know you guys most of you guys just probably just care about shoes and stuff like that. So, and that's fine. No offense taken there. But make sure you follow me on the new page. I'm just starting it up. I think it's like 5 or 6 pairs that's posted right now. It's gonna be a lot going up on that page though. And if you follow that page, you'll have, it's a lot more shoes than what's in the videos. To be honest, some of the boxes I buy don't even make it to a video just because I don't have time to shoot videos and edit and stuff like that. So I get boxes and sometimes I won't even shoot a video for it, and it'll go straight up on the Instagram page. So we got one more pair in this box though. Jordan 18 coming back out this year. This shoe was I I had mixed feelings about this shoe when it dropped. It came out when I was in high school, man. And I liked it, and then I didn't like it, and I like it again. These are the Jordan 18s in a size 9.5. This is the OG release, of course, from 2004. Yeah, so, man, very clean. Coming back out this year. These will probably sell fast. Size 9.5 is a great size to have in them. And the suede on them is still pretty good. Every shoe I pulled out this box has been in great shape. I'm just lost due to a lot of it being SBs. And yeah, I don't have any idea what those are worth. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I'm more of a not an SB guy. I like SBs, but I don't rock SBs like that. So these are 9.5, man. That's gonna do it for the 640 box. As always, thank you for showing me love, watching the videos, taking time out your day to check me out. Greatly appreciate it. Thank you to the guys who've been showing me love on Instagram too, man, on the fitness thing, man. A lot of you guys shoot me DMs and encourage me, telling me that I encourage you guys. So I'm just gonna keep doing that, man. Some of you guys that are new to the channel, you might not have seen me at the beginning of the start of this channel, but since the beginning of the start of this channel, I've dropped a little over 100 pounds. Total lifestyle change, mentally, physically, more mentally than physically. You would think it'd be more physically for me, but it's more of a mental thing. I love it. I love the clarity it brings me. I love going to the gym. It's just a fun little hobby now. It's just a part of my life. So that's one of the reasons why I want to start another Instagram page. Some of you guys don't care about that and just want to just see the shoes. So that's perfectly a-okay. But again, thank you for the people that have been showing me love on the fitness thing, man. You guys encourage me to go to the gym and lift and do what I do, and I'm hoping I'm doing the same for y'all. So if you guys are new to the channel, this is what I looked like before. See if I can find a picture. It'll be up now if I can find a picture. It's a transformation picture from 100 pounds, 327 down to 227. Your boy was big, real big, but 227. I think I'm currently sitting at like 225 ish right now. I'm pretty comfortable where I'm at, just focusing on getting stronger and stronger. So yeah, that's gonna do it, man. I'm gonna quit rambling, get out you guys' face. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that sub button, make sure you hit the like button, share it, all that good stuff, and don't forget to follow the new Instagram page. And I think I'm done rambling. I'm out. Peace.